The Type 055 destroyer, also known as the Renhai-class cruiser by NATO reporting name, is a class of stealth-guided missile destroyers constructed for the Chinese People's Liberation Army Navy. The Type 055 destroyer is considered a top-of-the-line, large, multi-mission surface combatant by many, including the U.S. Navy, who classify it as a cruiser. It is designed to excel in area air defense, anti-submarine warfare, and blue water expeditionary missions, also serving as a primary escort for Chinese aircraft carriers. It has a multi-mission design. The combination of sensors and weapons provides a main role of area air defense, with anti-submarine warfare capabilities surpassing previous Chinese surface combatants. The Type 055 undertakes blue water expeditionary missions and forms the primary escort for Chinese aircraft carriers. The United States classifies these ships as cruisers, as the United States Navy defines a cruiser as a large multi-mission surface combatant with flag facilities. This suggests the U.S. expects the Type 055 to fulfill a similar role to the U.S. Navy's Ticonderoga-class cruiser. The Nanchang is the first ship of the Type 055 class, began construction in 2014 at the Jiangnan shipyard in Shanghai, and was commissioned on 12 January 2020. Its first public appearance, preceding commissioning, was during the People's Liberation Army Navy's 70th anniversary parade on 23 April 2019. When launched, Nanchang was the largest post-Second World War warship launched in East Asia. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe right now to get first updates and stay tuned until the end. The Type 055 adopts a conventional flared hull with distinctive stealthy features, including an enclosed forecastle that hides mooring points, anchor chains, and other equipment. The bow and main deckhouse are configured similarly to previous Type 052C destroyers. A continuous structure located amidships increases internal volume and reduces radar cross-section. The smokestack design reduces both infrared signature and radar cross-section. The Chinese sources credit the design as being generally stealthy, with reduced radar, noise, infrared, and electromagnetic radiation signatures. Chinese literature suggests that the Type 055 is capable of facilitating command management of a battle group and supporting elements. The command and control and battle management systems are likely comparable to contemporary People's Liberation Army Navy systems, which reflect over a decade of intensive interest in information integration from the late 2000s. Multiple sensors are housed inside the integrated mast and ship superstructure. The class has a dual-band radar system, 4 S-band Type 346B Dragon Eye active electronically scanned array panels are mounted on the superstructure, and 4 smaller X-band panels are mounted on the mast. The Type 346B panels are estimated to be 40% larger than the Type 052D destroyer's Type 346A panels, for greater transmission power and sensitivity. The Chinese sources claim the radar has anti-stealth capability and can be used to guide anti-satellite missiles. The ship structure also contains navigation radars, various communication and intelligence systems, electronic warfare support measures, electronic countermeasures, electro-optical sensors, laser warning systems, optronic jammers, and data link systems. They are likely more advanced than those deployed on previous ships. A deployment port exists for variable depth and towed array sonar. The large bulbous bow likely contains a bow sonar. The Type 055 may mount a larger bow sonar than previous Chinese surface combatants. Armament-wise, the Type 055 carries more firepower than any other destroyer class in service in the world. The primary armament is missiles carried in 112 vertical launching system cells, 64 cells forward and 48 cells aft. The same vertical launch system model is used on the Type 052D destroyer, which is believed to be an implementation of the GJB 5860-2006 standard. The GJB 5860-2006 is capable of hot and cold launches using concentric canisters. The longest variant, with 9-meter cells, is likely used. The Type 055 is expected to carry HQ-9 surface-to-air missiles, YJ-18 anti-ship cruise missiles, CJ-10 land attack cruise missiles, and missile-launched anti-submarine torpedoes upon entering service. Potentially, the larger cells may also carry anti-ship ballistic missiles. Additional armament includes a 130mm main gun, an 11-barrel 30mm close-in weapon system, CIWS, a HQ-210 short-range air defense system, 324mm torpedo launchers, and decoy launchers. There is hangar space for 2 helicopters. Compared to the most advanced land attack destroyer in the world, the U.S. Navy's DDG-1000 Zumwalt class, the Type 055 lags in stealth and electronic systems, but has more balanced air defense, anti-missile, anti-ship, and anti-submarine abilities. The vessel was developed to guard aircraft carriers, as well as Type 075 amphibious assault ships, playing a similar role to the Ticonderoga-class cruisers in U.S. carrier strike groups. Equipped with the most advanced available sensor, radar, and other electronic systems, the Type 055 is also a center of situational awareness and information processing. It has been suggested that future variants may be armed with lasers or electromagnetic railguns. Since the current design does not have integrated electric propulsion, the installation of integrated electric propulsion will be required for the ship to meet the estimated power requirements for such weapons in the future. In 2021, the United States Department of Defense identified the Type 055 as the future launch platform for China's naval-based mid-course interceptors, such as the HQ-19 anti-ballistic missiles. Propulsion is generated by 428 MW 38,000 horsepower QC-280 gas turbines in combined gas and gas arrangement. Additional power may be provided by 65 MW 6,700 horsepower QD-50 gas turbines. The maximum flank speed is estimated to be 30 knots or 56 kilometers per hour. However, the Type 055 guided missile cruiser plays a crucial role in China's naval strategy, acting as a key escort for aircraft carrier strike groups and a versatile command ship for various blue water operations. It is a central component in China's anti-access area denial strategy, enhancing China's ability to project power in the region and beyond.